again with another Kate Spade wallet review. And this time I have the Kate Spade small bifold wallet, and it's called the Nadine, and it's in the color Cherrywood. And I purchased this one right here from TJ Maxx, and it retails for $119, but TJ Maxx had it for $29.99, and then they end up having it on clearance for $24. So I got it for $24, which was a score. So let me show you guys the wallet. So here is the front. It has a little spade on here, and then here is, well, that might be the back or the front, hell, I don't know. And then here's the other side, and it has Kate Spade New York. So then you're gonna pop it open, and it has a bunch of compartments. So you have a compartment here, here, and here, and then right here you're gonna have a little snap where you can put like some change, or you can put a couple of dollar bills. You can stick you a couple of dollar bills in there, and maybe some loose change. And then right here you can stick some money right here in this compartment also, and then just stick just your change or something right there. And like I said, right here you probably can put like your ID or something right there, but I'm just gonna stick a card right there. Then I'll stick another card right there. Then I'll stick another card, let's see, right here. And you may be able to double it. Let me take that out of there. You may be able to double it, I'm not sure. And then you have like a little opening right here where you can tuck, you know, some little cash or something right there if you want to also. Or let me see if you can stick a card. Yeah, you can stick some cards, you know, right here in this this compartment too. But you don't want to stuff it too much, because you still want it to be able to, you know, snap and not be bulging or whatever. But there's that. And like I said, you can put, you know, a couple of dollars right there. And this will be good to carry in like a smaller bag. I actually have a backpack this color, the Cameron backpack, so this is what I'm going to use for that. So this is the perfect size for that. I thought this was so cute. I wish I could find it in a black, but there's that. I don't know. Let me see if I can double these. Okay. So you can double those. And so I got a total of 6 cards right here. So, yep, and it does still close. So yeah, y'all, this is super duper cute wallet. Like I said, this is the small bifold wallet, and it's called the Nadine, and it's in the color Cherrywood. And I picked it up from TJ Maxx. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will get to you guys later. Bye.